If you're an experienced real estate agent looking to take positions such as principal agent, agency director, licensee in charge, or even to establish your own real estate agency, the key qualification required is the Diploma of Property Agency Management or Land Agent course in South Australia. There are 36 units within this diploma where you will learn how to craft a comprehensive business plan for your future agency, covering topics such as legal compliance, trust accounting, agency operations, team management, finances, and marketing. Here at Entry Education, we provide this course in 2 flexible formats tailored to your needs. You can choose from option 1, an online self-paced course, or option 2, a 3-day workshop if you're an experienced agent. Upon completion of this course, you will not only have met the diploma requirements, but also have a thorough understanding of the steps necessary to launch your own real estate agency. So what are you waiting for? Enroll with Entry Education today and take the first steps to becoming a licensed agent.